Oh, hey, Doug. How was your weekend?
Yeah, it was okay.
Did you do anything fun?
Nah, not really.
I heard that we're having issues generating our TPS reports. What's happening with that?
Oh, that's caused by a null in the database. It causes an object null reference error downstream when generating the report, and it crashes it.
Oh, is it fixed?
Well, our data provider has bad data in the CLM field, so no, even if we fix the data in the database, it just gets re-imported over and over again.
Oh, remind me again. CLM stands for Client Location.
Credential Library Manager. I'm a little surprised you don't remember that.
I remember. It just slipped my mind. So the CMR field is null?
CLM, and no, it's not null. They're not cross-referencing the proper TCT values in the AMI service.
Do we know how to fix it?
It's not our issue. Our data provider is working on it.
It is our issue because we need those reports. Is there any way around it?
It should be finished in about 3 months.
Okay. We can't wait 3 months. We can't get around it in the meantime?
I mean, sure, if you want to modify the import process to treat the null as a primitive via trigger in the database, but I certainly wouldn't recommend that. We'd also need to modify Redux to properly handle the primitive. Then TypeScript would complain in the TSX file, and now our data models in the front end won't match the API data models. So we'd have to modify the API as well. That would be stupid.
Have you tried setting?
That won't work.
But I heard that if you...
Nope, you heard wrong.
You don't even know what I was going to say.
You're gonna recommend modifying the import to only ingest records with non-nulls. That would mess up data used for other reports. I'm telling you, it's a dumb idea.
Actually, no. I was going to suggest that we...
Hey, are you guys talking about the TCP reports? I think I know we can get around it.
Oh, that's great. What is...
That won't work.
Unless we invert the mantle multidimensional array that references.
Oh, I see where you're going. The problem is the Solr database would now be out of sync with the SQL data. Any summary statistics would be incorrect, and the C# utility would be messed up because it's creating immutable records, which would be a nightmare to fix. We'd also have to cast nulls to primitives in the database, so that's yet another layer of complexity. But I suppose if we bypass modifying the import process completely and just retroactively update the data immediately after import, we can convert the nulls to 0. That way, we don't have to monkey with store procedure changes or any API changes.
Okay, I'm not sure I followed all that, but it sounds like we got a fix, right?
Yeah, that might work. It should be easy. I don't know why I didn't think of it before.
So, when can I tell my...
Sorry, I had fish tacos for lunch.
When can I tell my boss that we'll be ready?
I'll let you know when the BMU process is initialized. We can't even try until that's set up. Once that's up, I'll need to create a Lambda function and connect it up to be called on once the import... Hey, Jill, my TCP reports are still messed up. When's that going to be fixed?
They're working on it. It's technical.
Yeah, I hear ya. Enough said. Deal with it as best you can.